Not only will you invest in a great career move by becoming an approved instructor, but you will have the pleasure of passing on new skills and the sense of satisfaction that this provides when your pupils pass their driving tests. The main elements that the job requires is good people skills in conjunction with large doses of patience and understanding. Many of your pupils will have never driven before and will not pick it up straight away. Due to the nature of the job, you will also need to be prepared to work flexible hours to suit people who need to fit in their driving lessons around work and private life. If you are eligible, you need to apply to the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency, DVSA, and provide information about your current driving license and any offences. As with most careers working with the public, you will also need to undergo a criminal record check, which can also be done through government.uk. Smart Learner also offer the chance to join a franchise and become part of a successful network team, with a known brand that gives all the benefits of working with an established and highly experienced name. If you would like to join our franchise, or begin the journey to become a driving instructor, give us a call on 02475 092 784 or email us at admin@smartlearner.com.